Get ready because your next pair of smart glasses might whisper live translations straight into your ears, and Google is gearing up to make it happen. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to tech hub. Samsung may have just unveiled its Galaxy XR headset, but the real shockwave is coming from the software side. Hidden deep inside the newest Google Translate app update, Android Authority uncovered a clue that a new device option labeled glasses, not headphones, not your phone speaker, glasses. And that can only mean one thing. Google Translate is preparing to beam real-time translated speech directly through upcoming Samsung Google XR specs. The feature isn't active yet, but it's clearly wired into Google's new live translation system that launched in August. Once it goes live, you could hold conversation with someone in another language while your XR glasses deliver seamless translations straight into your ears. No awkward pauses, no fumbling with your phone, just instant language superpowers. We've seen early versions of this idea in earbuds from Google, Samsung, and Apple, and even in Ray-Ban Meta's AI glasses. But Google Translate is in a league of its own, with decades of language data, lightning-fast precision, and some of the most reliable translation models on the planet. Combine that with XR glasses, and you're looking at the most natural translation experience ever made. And it's coming at the perfect time, as Samsung's already confirmed its smart XR glasses are near, and live translation can be the killer feature that set this device apart. If you thought XR was futuristic before, just wait until your glasses start talking back. So, are you ready to talk with the world? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.